Ever wondered how AI knows where to find information? Or why some answers seem to pop out of nowhere? Today, we're diving into a fascinating study that tackles a big problem, making AI models more transparent about where they get their facts. So here's the issue. Language models like GPT or LLaMA are amazing at generating answers, but they often don't show where they got the information. This makes it hard to trust their accuracy or trace errors. The researchers behind this study wanted to fix that by teaching models to cite their sources as they generate answers. Let's break down their approach. First, they built a massive dataset by cleaning and organizing text from sources like Wikipedia, academic papers, and the Common Crawl archive. They even used AI to fix messy data, like renaming duplicate titles or generating synthetic documents when needed. Think of it like curating a library where every book has a clear label, so the model can reference it later. But the real innovation is something called active indexing. Instead of just retrieving facts and then generating an answer, the model learns to embed citations directly into its responses. Imagine writing an essay and including footnotes as you go, not after the fact. This way, every claim is tied to its source, making the model's reasoning more transparent. How did they test this? They tried different document identifiers, basically labels for sources. Some used natural titles like Quantum Physics 101. Others used structured codes like Physics Energy Entropy. Surprisingly, simple text titles worked best. Why? Because they're more familiar to the model, like using everyday language instead of a secret code. The results? Models with active indexing cited sources more accurately, and the team even found ways to measure this, like checking if a citation's text actually supports the answer. It's a big step toward making AI more reliable, especially as legal and ethical debates about training data heat up. So what's the takeaway? This research isn't just about better AI, it's about building trust. By making models show their work, we're one step closer to systems that are not only smart, but also honest. And that's a game changer for everything from education to journalism. But here's the twist. Even with these advances, AI isn't perfect. Take the LLaMA 311B model. Despite being trained on vast amounts of data, it sometimes guesses answers without citing the right sources. Think of it like a student who recognizes a name from a headline, but misses the details in the article. The study found cases where models provided accurate answers with diverse sources, but also red flags, answers that cited unrelated documents or missed the mark entirely. It's a reminder that AI, like humans, can be fooled by surface-level clues, like a title lure that tricks it into associating a fact with the wrong source. This research highlights a critical frontier, not just making AI smart, but making it accountable. By embedding citations into reasoning, we're creating a feedback loop where models can be audited, corrected, and ultimately trusted. And as AI's role in society grows, that accountability isn't just important, it's essential. So next time you see an AI answer a question, remember, the future of this technology isn't just about what it knows, but how it knows it. And that's a conversation worth having. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and keep exploring the cutting edge of AI research.